So hey everybody, this is Kimberly Thibodeaux, and I'm going to be doing a bunch of weekly videos for you, probably almost every day, and they're going to be on mindset and tips and tricks that I've learned along the way in my online career that hopefully will help you out as well. So without further ado, I wanted to talk to you about something that actually hit me last night. I was having this phone call with a very good friend of mine that I've known. It's a gentleman who lives in Singapore, and he and I joined a program at the same time about 4 years ago. Now, fast forward to today, and of that program, of all the people that came into that program at the same time that were very involved, he and I are just about the only ones left that are really trying to make a go of this particular program. And I thought, wow, that's really interesting and sad, to be perfectly honest, because, you know, you pay money for these things and you want them to work. And I know for myself, I strongly believe in this product, and I know it's going to continue to do well. And but isn't that what happens? Isn't that what happens to a lot of us with a lot of things? We go into it thinking this is it, and this is going to be the next great thing, and a month later, a year later, 4 years later, what happened? Do you even remember what you joined? So I guess what I'm getting at is, number one, try to be more selective if possible in what you choose to work with. Be sure that it's what you want to work with. And if it is, number two, be consistent. You know, stay online. You know, keep blogging if that's your thing. Stay on YouTube, do Instagram, whatever it is, just stick around. Because in the just sticking around, you never know what can happen, because I've had amazing things happen just because I stuck around and I didn't give up. And as a matter of fact, one of those really cool things is a program I just want to touch on real briefly that I just became a part of that is fantastic. It's called the Digital Affiliates, and it's by my friend Bob Beckett. And if you'd like any more information, please hit me up below, say more info, and or send me a DM, a PM, wherever you see this video, hit me up, and I will tell you more about it, because it is a wonderful program. I've just been in it for not more than a week or so. I just made $150, so I'm pretty happy about that, and that's just going to be ongoing. And I want that for you too. And Bob's going to be putting a lot of really great information. So, and honestly, whatever program you're working with, for example, I have another program I'm also very involved in. It's complementary. It will help you, with whatever you're doing, I promise. So if you're interested, I'd love to talk to you. But I just want to end this with, hey, just stick around, be consistent, and you will make it. I promise. See you next time.